Hello everyone, welcome back to Athena and Luna's life journey. Athena is looking for the fly. It's flying around. Yeah, she's trying to chase the fly. And then that's because it's high, she couldn't reach it. She's still chasing the fly.
Where
Where
is
is it, Athena?
Athena, where is it?
Where's the fly?
Where is it, baby?
I think it's gone now. She wouldn't give up.
Where is it, baby?
She wouldn't give up at all.
Have you seen it?
Look at this gorgeous girl.
Have you seen it?
Her tail is wiggling a lot.
Where?
It's wiggle a lot.
Where is it?
She wouldn't give up at all.
Where is it, baby?
She's trying to find it. I think she saw it. And that's because she couldn't reach the fly. That's why mommy is playing with her instead. She is happy playing with mommy. Keep jumping around, looking really cute. Look at this gorgeous girl. She's playing with mommy while mommy is in bed. She likes playing with mommy. So cute. And then Luna wanted to play too. More playing. Yep. Look at her head. Her head is dancing. So cute. Look at Luna, guys. I'm just trying to fold the blanket. And she doesn't want to. How am I gonna manage to fold the blanket if you're there, Luna? Messing around. It's very cute though. She wants mommy to stop folding the blanket because she still wanted to lay down with it. That's her favorite blanket. That's her baby blanket when she is a baby. When she is only 2 weeks old. That's her blanket. That's why she doesn't want mommy to fold it. She still keep doing it. Oh, Athena is here. She wanted to scratch mommy's hand too. I can't fold it properly. That's because Luna is there. Being silly. Look at that. She doesn't want to because she said, "It's my blanket, mommy. Don't fold it. Don't keep it. It's mine." Oh dear. Luna, what are you doing? Very cute. She wouldn't stop. She wouldn't stop. Come on, gorgeous.